Hi everybody, I'm April Brucker and I'm a master ventriloquist, but my mother doesn't think so. And I am here with you through clownantics.com and I'm going to show you a sample routine. Well, Zsa Zsa, tell us a little about yourself.
Well, I live in the woods.
So, tell us about the woods.
You see, I am the Beaver. And as a Beaver, you always are asking me questions about my life.
Like, I'm not asking you any questions about your life.
Well, everybody else is asking me questions, you see. They say, do you giggle down if we build down?
You're not allowed to swear.
No, D-A-N is not a swear word. Oh my God, you are so stuck up.
How am I stuck up? You know, Zsa Zsa, you gotta like tone it down. These are kids.
You know, everybody's always asking me a question. If a tree fall and I'm on stage and nobody sees me and I'm still on stage.
Well, a tree didn't fall, so you're technically on stage.
Because somewhere in the world, a tree fell.
Okay. And so, you know, but those aren't like questions. You act like everybody's in your life.
Well, you'll see, I don't give a D-A-M if you come near me, okay? But just no stupid questions.
You're already a little edgy, Zsa Zsa, all right?
You know, everybody always wants to know how much wood would the woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
So, they're always asking you, but do you have an answer? I mean, we've been asking that since I've been kids.
Yes, and we've been trying to figure that out. Not only since I've been a little beaver, but since the people in my family have been little beavers. And the little beavers are getting littler, and ancient beavers were figuring that out. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? I mean, how am I supposed to know?
I don't know. I mean, Zsa Zsa, you do live in the forest.
Yes, but just because I live in the forest doesn't mean that I know a woodchuck. God!
All right, but what do you got to say?
Oh, the dog beavers are the same now? See, you are such an animalist.
How am I an animalist?
You are against all animals.
Whoa, so are you saying that I'm prejudiced against animals?
Yes, you're an animalist.
That's not what an animalist is, Zsa Zsa.
Yes, it is. You are prejudiced against animals. Boycott April, everybody, because she assumes that I should know how much wood a woodchuck chucks so a woodchuck could chuck wood. I'm going on strike.
What are you doing? Oh my gosh, guys. She does this every show. She goes on strike. She won't work. Zsa Zsa, I need you to work. Gosh. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna let her wear this out. But anybody have any ideas how much woodchuck, if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Okay, anybody have any ideas? She's gonna keep at it unless you give me an answer. Zsa Zsa. I think a woodchuck would chuck like, I don't know, 3 trees if he could.
Oh God! See, I do pay attention. You are learning. You do love me. You do.
Okay, Zsa Zsa, get off of me. You can get off of me now. Gosh, we gotta have some boundaries in this relationship.
Okay, fine. But I have to go. Okay, I will call you later.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed my sample routine and tune in for more videos through www.clownantics.com.